This video will show you how to reset the engine oil life reset monitor on this Toyota Corolla. We'll be doing this from in the passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. This is going to be fairly simple. We're using the key. We're going to start by putting it in the on position without the vehicle running. Paying attention in the center of the gauge cluster, we're looking for the odometer setting. Now the next thing we need to do is turn off key power. With the key power off, we're pressing on our trip button and we're going to put the key in the on position again and focus in the center. We're watching a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you've seen it go to 0 and back to odometer, you've reset your oil change monitor.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.